itchy at all. Really great. And I am so impressed with their yarn because I haven't worked a lot with Knit Picks yarns. I did the striped cardigan, if you've watched it, with their Wool of the Andes, and I was so impressed. The sweater, the cardigan wasn't too heavy, like came out really, really nice. For a worsted, I wasn't sure if it would end up being kind of bulky, but we were really happy with the finished product. So yeah, I've got that yarn, and then I have another hat yarn down here as well. I gotta find. It was hard when I was even checking out their website what I wanted for these. So this, I just love fuzzy yarns lately. Like if you've watched the Winter Bliss toque and the mittens I just put up and the headband, I kind of mixed two different yarns to get a fuzzy look. Well, they have this beautiful fuzzy kind of yarn, and I thought a nice like ribbed hat would be really nice done in this. It's really great. So yeah, I have a hat planned for these guys too. Hi guys, hi Sharon. All your stuff's coming up, all your names are popping up, but it's hard for me to, this is my first time doing a live, so it's hard for me to talk and see all your messages popping up there at the same time. Okay, so what else? So I have some more yarn here as well. I've had sort of on my mind these tall socks I've wanted to do with a really nice diamondy cabled pattern. And so I got them to send me sock yarn too. So these socks, right, I had a hard time picking, so I got her to send me, hey Barb, she's one of my testers, hey, how are you doing? She sent me these two colors because I couldn't decide what color that I wanted, but I want to do these knee-high socks with the beautiful cabling up the front. So I'll get my daughter Bethany, the blonde that you've seen in a lot of the pictures lately. She's been doing my modeling for me. She's a great sock model. I'm gonna get her to model my socks for me. So yeah, I have lots of patterns already planned up for the new year. They're all gonna be going up on YouTube. Of course, I'll film the one size and that will go up on YouTube. And yeah, I hope you really enjoy these patterns, but this is the first time I've done a live. So anyways, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the link maybe after. I probably can post this afterwards, and I'll get the link to Wecrochet. But if you just go to crochet.com, you can find all the yarn, all the fun little tools. The website's brand new, so I'm super excited. I'm really super excited to be working with them. Their yarn is great, and like I say, there is variety here between your more expensive yarns and also more affordable yarns. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, you're popping up. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm like so excited for Christmas. I finished the mitten pattern, was my last pattern I wanted to get out before Christmas, and I managed to get that out. And thanks so much for all the views, because that video is actually my top performing video now in the last month. So you guys must really enjoy a mitten pattern because that's doing really, really well. So now let me just look at what this sock yarn is made out of. Okay, this is 80% superwash fine merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. So, I mean, you can't feel it, but oh, it's so soft. It's gorgeous. I had to decide with the sock yarn if I was gonna go with something a little bit more high-end or a little bit, you know, more affordable, but I love this stuff so much, guys. And if you go to all the work on a sock, I just think get the good stuff, you know, so that it's gonna last and it's gonna be soft and you're gonna want to wear it. But anyways, I think that's all I have for you today. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a happy and safe holidays, and you know, stay tuned in, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified of my new videos. I'm gonna actually have a lot of new videos coming out. I have designs actually I'm already working on for spring, so I have a couple new designs that are gonna be popping up soon on YouTube. But yeah, I'm really loving the YouTube channel. My subscribers are growing like crazy, so I'm just gonna try and really focus this year, 2020, and get more and more videos up here for you. So anyways, guys, let me figure out how to shut this off, and everyone have a happy holiday.